So I'm at school. We're at school. School. Let's go find Sammy and Michael.
Joseph!
Hi, Mom. Open! Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.
Did you just get that? Open! I'm glad I had your entertainment. Wait, but the camera was turned. You didn't know.
No, whatever. Whatever.
That'll be interesting. Kids these days.
Oh my god. I love you, Vega. You love me.
Thank you.
I swear. I thought you did last time too. I can't remember.
During D block, we usually go down and get some food a little later, torture some children by yelling profanity.
We play the penis game.
Yes, it's the best game in the world. I lost the game.
Oh, damn it, I lost the game. Do you have my soy milk bottle?
What?
Do you have my soy milk bottle?
Yes. It's growing bacteria on my desk. As
That's gross. Why did you not wash it out?
I rinsed it. I don't think that's enough. It's got little mushrooms on the inside.
Oh,
Sprouting.
that's so gross. But it's so good.
You can finish it off, I guess.
I have more soy milk in my fridge at home. I don't need moldy soy milk. Moldy mushroomy.
Gross. Was last weekend the wedding that you went to?
Yeah, that was on Saturday.
On Saturday. And was it cold?
No.
She
But
didn't injure someone with her shoes.
Yeah, I stepped on some old man.
Nice to know.
Hey.
Hey, Wes.
Hey.
Whoa, it's Wes.
Yeah, it's me.
Look, instead of a camera, we have a video camera.
This is Wes. He's kind of crazy. Hey, Wes. You want a hard-boiled egg?
Those are so cute. Is that a face?
Yeah, it's a chick.
It's a chicken.
You can have it if you want it.
I'll savor eating it. Oh, are those little seeds or something?
They're sesame seeds.
Oh, did you roast them?
No.
They're black. Is that normal for a sesame seed?
For black sesame seeds, yeah.
Where'd you get a black sesame seed?
They have them available for purchase. All right.
Savory.
Oh, gross, Wes. So this is my friend Wes. He's funny. Just watch him chew for a second. Zoom in on that. Chewing. Slow motion time, Wes.
The jaw movement.
Is your hoe the same as your bitch?
Yes.
Yeah, they're not the same for me.
That's because you have several bitches and then you have several hoes.
I wish I had a hoe.
What?
You are a hoe.
You are my
A
hoe.
hoe can't have a hoe.
Really? When did this happen?
See, that's the
I think you were in 7th grade.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
That's good times. I used to throw your pencils out the window.
Hey, David. Hey, David.
Hey, ho. Nice to see you.
Come here. I want a hug.
Okay,
Come here. I want a hug.
Hi.
oh my god!
And it starts again. This is David.
My name is Hal. Oh, is it? Yeah!
Oh, do we get to play the penis game now?
Yes.
Sweet.
Big burly man arms.
Oh, I don't have big burly man arms.
Should I be filming this?
Okay.
Here you go, Wes.
What? Oh. How do you... Is it filming right now?
Oh my god, seriously, that hurts.
Your feet.
Look at my feet. Ready?
Just take off your shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Those are some hardcore heels, man. Big burly man arms! No, it's strange.
Like an alternate universe. Your butt's really close back there for some reason. Look, children. Penis.
He... Did I think I sound? I hope
Penis.
it's sound.
Penis.
Kramer.
Penis.
Kramer.
Where?
Oh, there he is. Oh, can you see it? No. Oh, there he is.
Penis!
Penis!
Oh shit. I have to go pee. Let's go, guys.
Okay. We can go look at the old 60s poster.
Okay. Oh yeah. Get plenty of sleep.
No. The one that's like, make sure to wash your hands, and she's washing her face.
You're like, what? You have face hands.
What do you want?
No, you're not allowed to come in class.
You cannot come in the girls' bathroom, Wes.
He does that regularly.
Wash carefully.
Your face. Because if you stick your face on other people,
Wash your face.
if you put your face on other people, you can get like AIDS.
Look. Say hi. All right, now I'm done. Now I can go tell Wes about this junk business. Whoa, crap.
Wes,
Yeah.
why is this here? Did you get that?
Yeah.
What were you gonna tell me about?
About she got a photograph.
Well, not me. My friend
Aw.
got a photograph of this other boy. Boy in just a towel, and he's like completely ripped. It's totally hot, and and I was like, I told her to have him just hang out with her with just a hat on,
Right?
and she goes, "I'll have that coverage jump." And I was like, "Why would you want that coverage?" She goes, "What'd she say?" She's like, "Haha, I'm just seeing the picture in my head. Hot man walking up. Oh man, this is bad. Not in school."
Please?
Oh, that's cute. Do it again. Hello.
Did you
Hey, say hi, Austin. This is Austin. No, come back. It's not done zooming. Austin. Okay.
Oh, is this one we're supposed to look at each other best?
Sammy, you owe me a buck.
I don't carry any money around with me.
Why are you so close to my face, Hope?
I love being close to your face.
Christy's like, I really like this boy. And they've been talking and stuff all weekend. And she goes, he told me that I look good today. And I told her, I was like, okay, good. That's a step. Now take him in the back room and you know what to do from there. She's like, okay. Okay.
Here, we'll go from the down low angle.
No, nobody looks good from that angle. And plus I don't have any pants on, so I don't trust you down there.
Hey, that sounds vaguely dirty. Hey,
Okay,
how's it going?
pretty good.
My back just cracked.
Nice. How'd it feel?
Amazing.